In 2026, the right tools can make all the difference for electricians. Today we're exploring 20 new Klein tools that every electrician needs to work faster, safer, and more efficiently. From advanced crimpers and precision pliers to smart multimeters, circuit analyzers, and high-performance wire strippers, these tools are designed to boost accuracy and save valuable time on the job. Let's get started. Ratcheting Modular Data Cable Crimper is a must-have for electricians and network technicians. Its ratcheting mechanism ensures consistent, precise crimping of RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 connectors for reliable network and telephone installations. Built with durable steel, it withstands heavy job site use, while ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. This crimper allows fast, professional cable termination for patch channels, structured wiring, and outlet connections. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in a toolbox or belt. Electricians benefit from improved workflow, accuracy, and efficiency, making it an essential tool for any data or telecom project. Klein Tools plier set includes lineman's pliers, diagonal cutters, and long-nose pliers, built for electrical and general work. Made from heat-treated steel, these pliers resist bending, wear, and corrosion, while delivering reliable cutting and gripping performance. Ergonomic, non-slip handles reduce hand fatigue during prolonged use. Perfect for cutting, twisting, and bending wire, this set ensures efficiency and precision on the job site. Professionals appreciate its portability and durability, making it suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial work. For any electrician or technician, this plier set provides versatile, high-quality tools to complete tasks faster, safer, and with greater accuracy. Digital Electronic Level provides accurate leveling for electrical, construction, and framing tasks. Its bright digital display shows precise degrees and percent slope, making outlet, conduit, and fixture installation easier. Lightweight and compact, it fits comfortably in a toolbox or belt, while durable construction withstands frequent job site use. Stable sensors deliver consistent readings on uneven surfaces, reducing errors and rework. Electricians rely on this level for fast, professional results on alignment and leveling tasks. With improved workflow, efficiency, and precision, the digital electronic level is an essential tool for every professional electrician and technician. 11-in-1 nut driver set is a versatile, compact tool designed for electricians needing multiple sizes in one handle. Its durable, heat-treated steel shafts resist bending and wear, while ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue. Quick change capability allows fast switching between sizes without losing efficiency. Perfect for panel work, appliance installation, and electrical maintenance, this set improves speed and accuracy. Portable and reliable, it fits easily in a toolbox or belt. Professionals appreciate its convenience and high performance, making it an essential addition to any electrician's kit. This set saves time while delivering precise fastening on every job. Circuit Breaker Finder ET450 is a must-have for electricians to quickly and safely locate breakers. It detects energized and non-energized circuits, providing clear LED indicators for easy readings. Compact and portable, it fits in a belt or toolbox. Professionals can trace circuits, verify outlets, and identify breakers efficiently. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability on job sites. This tool improves workflow, safety, and precision, reducing errors and time spent troubleshooting. For any electrician, the Circuit Breaker Finder ET450 is an essential tool that simplifies circuit identification and ensures accurate professional electrical work every time. Diagonal cutting pliers are essential for electricians to cut wire, cable, and small hardware with precision. Made from heat-treated steel, they resist bending and wear for long-lasting performance. Ergonomic handles provide comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue on repetitive tasks. These pliers handle copper, aluminum, and steel wire efficiently, making them ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Electricians can quickly cut, strip, and manipulate wire, improving workflow and accuracy on every job. Compact, durable, and reliable, diagonal cutting pliers are a must-have in every professional electrician's toolkit for safe, precise, and efficient wire cutting. Circuit Breaker Finder ET310 helps electricians locate breakers accurately and safely. Compatible with integrated and standard panels, it provides clear LED indicators for energized and non-energized circuits. Its compact design fits in a tool belt or toolbox for easy portability on job sites. Professionals use it to trace outlets, identify breakers, and avoid costly mistakes. Durable construction ensures it withstands frequent job site use, while simple operation makes it easy to use even for beginners. For accurate, fast, and reliable circuit identification, the Circuit Breaker Finder ET310 is a key tool for any electrician or technician. Digital Multimeter 69149P is designed for electricians who need accurate voltage, current, and resistance readings. It includes non-contact voltage detection, allowing safe testing without touching live wires. Rugged construction ensures durability on job sites, while its compact design makes it portable and easy to store. Its clear display provides quick readings, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Professionals can use it for troubleshooting, testing outlets, circuits, and appliances with precision. Reliable and easy to use, the Digital Multimeter 69149P helps electricians work faster, safer, and with confidence in any electrical installation or maintenance task. Outlet Tester RT250 allows electricians to quickly check outlets for proper wiring, grounding, and voltage issues. Its simple design includes LED indicators for fast, easy-to-read results. Compact and portable, it fits in a tool belt or toolbox for job site convenience. Professionals use it for troubleshooting, new installations, and maintenance work. Durable construction ensures it can withstand frequent use in residential, commercial, or industrial environments. The Outlet Tester RT250 helps electricians save time, prevent errors, and guarantee safety on every project. It's an essential tool for identifying wiring problems quickly and efficiently. Scout ProMax VDV Tester Set 80179 is perfect for electricians and network technicians. It tests voice, data, and video cabling with fast, accurate results. The kit includes a main tester and remote units for tracing and verifying cable integrity. Durable construction withstands frequent use, while its compact design ensures portability. Professionals rely on it for patch panels, network installations, and maintenance tasks. The Scout ProMax VDV Tester Set improves workflow, reduces errors, and ensures professional quality connections. For every electrician working with structured cabling, this versatile tester set is a crucial addition to the toolkit. Voltage Tester NCVT1P is a non-contact tool that allows electricians to safely detect live wires without touching them. Its bright LED indicators and audible alerts ensure easy, accurate readings. Compact and lightweight, it fits in any tool belt or pocket for convenience. Professionals use it for residential, commercial, and industrial projects to verify circuits quickly. Rugged construction provides long-lasting durability on the job site. By preventing accidental contact with live wires, this voltage tester improves safety, speed, and efficiency, making it a must-have for any electrician's everyday toolkit. Cable Tester Kit VDV 501851 allows electricians to verify Ethernet, coaxial, and telephone cables quickly. It identifies continuity, opens, shorts, and miswires with high accuracy. Compact, portable, and easy to operate, this tester kit is ideal for patch panels, network runs, and troubleshooting. Durable construction ensures it withstands regular use on job sites. Professionals save time, reduce errors, and guarantee network reliability with the cable tester kit. Essential for network technicians and electricians alike, it streamlines cable testing, improves efficiency, and ensures every connection meets professional standards. Wire Cutter Stripper 11063W is a versatile tool for electricians designed to strip, cut, and manipulate wires efficiently. Heat-treated steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, while ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue. This tool handles multiple wire gauges accurately, saving time and reducing errors during installation and maintenance. Professionals rely on it for cutting, stripping, and preparing wires for terminals, outlets, and panels. Compact and portable, it fits easily in a toolbox or belt. The Wire Cutter Stripper 11063W is essential for any electrician who values precision, efficiency, and reliability in everyday electrical work. Wire Tracer Tone VDV 500-820 allows electricians to trace and identify cables quickly. It works on Ethernet, telephone, and coaxial wiring, providing accurate tone and continuity signals. Portable and compact, it fits in a tool belt for job site convenience. Professionals use it to locate hidden wiring, verify connectivity, and troubleshoot circuits efficiently. Durable construction withstands frequent use, while simple operation ensures fast adoption. The Wire Tracer Tone VDV 500-820 improves workflow, reduces errors, and saves time on residential and commercial electrical projects, making it a must-have tool for electricians and network technicians alike. Digital Electronic Level 935 DAA delivers precise measurements for electricians, carpenters, and technicians. Its bright, easy-to-read display shows degrees and percent slope, making outlet, conduit, and fixture installation faster and more accurate. Lightweight and durable, it's portable for easy transport to any job site. Stable sensors ensure consistent readings, reducing mistakes and rework. Professionals rely on it for alignment, leveling, and precision measurements. With its combination of reliability, accuracy, and portability, the Digital Electronic Level 935 DAA is a key tool for electricians who want safe, professional results every time. Cable Splicers Kit 46039 is designed for electricians to splice cables quickly and reliably. It includes durable tools for cutting, stripping, and connecting wires safely. Heat-treated steel and ergonomic handles ensure comfort and long-term durability. Professionals use it for residential, commercial, and industrial electrical work. Compact design allows portability, while precise tools reduce errors and save time. The Cable Splicers Kit 46039 is essential for efficient, professional cable splicing, improving workflow and ensuring high-quality connections every time. Circuit Analyzer RT390 identifies wiring faults, voltage issues, and load conditions with accuracy. Portable, easy to read, and durable, it's ideal for residential and commercial work. Professionals use it to verify outlets, circuits, and electrical panels quickly. Its compact design fits a toolbox or belt. The Circuit Analyzer RT390 saves time, reduces mistakes, and improves job efficiency, making it an essential tool for electricians who need reliable diagnostics every day. Cable Stripping Tool L1412 allows electricians to strip insulation cleanly from wires, saving time and improving accuracy. Heat-treated steel ensures durability, while ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue. Suitable for multiple wire sizes, it is portable and reliable for job site use. Professionals appreciate its precision and efficiency, making the cable stripping tool L1412 a must-have for fast, accurate electrical work. Hexbit socket set 65233 Hex provides electricians with 32 essential hex bits in a compact, portable case. Heat-treated steel offers durability, while organized storage ensures fast access. Professionals use it for assembly, fastening, and electrical maintenance. Reliable and precise, it improves workflow, reduces errors, and saves time on any job. The Hexbit socket set 65233 Hex is an essential addition to every electrician's toolkit. And that's a wrap on 20 new Klein tools every electrician needs in 2026. These powerful, time-saving tools are designed to boost your efficiency, improve precision, and make every job smoother and safer. Whether you're on the job site or working on DIY projects, upgrading your toolkit with these innovations can make a real difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss the latest tool updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.